we have created a new text document, but the only thing is that this is a text file. It's written as .txt, and there are many ways that we are going to make it to be .html. The first way is to use Notepad. We can use the original Notepad or Notepad++, and I'm going to show you using the Notepad++. Open it. You see that we can see the original Notepad, and here they said edit with Notepad++. So I'm going to show you using this one. So all we have to do is to save this file. Save won't work, so we're gonna save as. I'm gonna put it in desktop so that we can see it. We scroll down, then we're going to see hypertext markup language file, which is HTML file. Whether you write .html or HTML, it's still going to save as a .html file. But if I want to save it as a .hta file, I'm gonna write .hta. Click save, and then we can see our new text document as an HTA file.